Hello, and welcome to Danfoss Interactive Service Training course on FC Automation Drive. I am Mr. VLT, and I will be your guide for this course. I hope you will have fun with me while you learn. The purpose of this course is to provide technical information and detailed instructions that will aid qualified technicians like you to identify faults and perform repairs on the FC Automation Drive quickly and effectively. By the end of this module, you will get a basic understanding on service-related issues like the safety measures to be taken while performing service activities, basic tools required for troubleshooting and repair of units, how the drive is programmed, diagnostics for FC Automation Drive. Before starting this module, let me give you a quick warning. Frequency converters contain dangerous voltages when connected to the line voltage. Only a competent technician should carry out the service. Some instructions should be compulsorily followed to ensure your safety while working with the frequency converter. Let me list them down for you. You should not touch electrical parts of the frequency converter when the AC line is connected. After the AC line is disconnected, wait for at least 15 minutes before touching any of the components. When repair or inspection is done, the AC line must be disconnected. The stop key on the control panel does not disconnect the AC line. During operation and programming of the parameters, the motor may start without warning. So you have to activate the stop key when changing data. If the applications are lift or hoist applications, or other human dangerous applications, contact the local plan responsibility before activating the frequency converter. Please be careful about this, and contact plan responsibility before startup, after repair. Before starting your work, it is important to have a knowledge on the tools required for the purpose. Let us now take a look at the tools required to troubleshoot and repair units. They are True RMS digital multimeter, clamp-on ammeter, oscilloscope, flathead screwdrivers, Phillips screwdrivers, Turk's drivers T10, T20, and 5 mm, Allen key. Torque wrench ranging from 0.5 Nm to 4 Nm. Before going in detail, it is good for you to have a knowledge on the mechanical enclosure types and sizes. Take a look at the chart. It shows the sizes of mechanical enclosures for the various frequency converter automation drive. Here, the classification is done in accordance with enclosure type, height, width, depth, and power in kilowatt. This training session basically deals with the C-type enclosures. All Danfoss VLT frequency converters can be programmed via a keypad on the front or a LCP cable connected to the frequency converter. All data are displayed in a graphical LCD display. The display is divided into 3 sections: top, middle, and bottom. The control keys in FC Automation Drive are divided into 4 main functions, or modes. They are Status, Quick Menu, Main Menu, Alarm Log. These modes, available under the display, can be chosen by pressing the relevant push button. Let me explain each of them. The status mode is a read-only mode, where different readings from the application and frequency converter can be seen. You can choose between 3 different readouts by pressing the status key. They are 5-line readouts, 4-line readouts, Smart Logic controller. Next comes the quick menu mode. In this mode, you will be able to quickly access a selection of the most used parameters. The different options available in the quick menu are: My Personal Menu, Quick Setup, Changes Made, Loggings, Motor Setup. You can make your own personal quick menu, or use the preset one. You can also select a list of changes made, or show a set of loggings. You can get back to the quick menu from any point inside the parameter by pressing the main menu button twice. The main menu is the mode where you can program all the parameters. In the main menu mode, the top section shows the status. The middle and bottom sections show 2 lines called parameter and data lines. When you press the main menu key, a readout, as shown, appears on the display. You can select the wanted parameter cell by navigating with the 4 arrows. The alarm log mode displays an alarm list of the 5 latest alarms, numbered A0 to A4. To obtain additional details about an alarm, use the arrow keys to maneuver to the alarm number and press OK. Next comes the arrow keys. They are used for maneuvering between commands and within parameters. The back button takes you to the previous step or layer. The cancel button annuls your last change or command as long as the display has not been changed, and the info button supplies information about a command, parameter, or function. OK button can be used for choosing a parameter marked by the cursor and for confirming the change of a parameter. There are a set of LEDs here. The green LED indicates if the control section is working. The yellow LED indicates a warning. The flashing red LED indicates an alarm. There are various methods of local control like hand on, off, auto on, reset. The hand on button is used to start an application once the connections are made. The off button is used for stopping the connected motor, and hence the application. The auto on button controls the frequency converter through the control terminals, or serial communication. The reset button is used to reset the frequency converter after an alarm trip. There are some situations where we have to disconnect the main supply, apart from reset.